Good morning. Thanks for allowing us to open your .elexia file. You need to enter your .elexia file with a very small custom URL which comprises your name and date of birth. Click on it and then access it using your Gmail ID and password. So you can use it through the browser by simply clicking on it and access it by entering your Gmail ID and password. This is point number 1. So it is like your personal bank locker in the cloud, accessed only by you. Point number 2. It is your personal Excel file. You can see the Excel file which you have entered through your Gmail ID and comprising of several sheets, some of which allow you to enter and modify and edit data, some of which are locked, which means that you can see the results there but you cannot enter the data. So it is a giant Excel file comprising of several sheets for you to use. Point number 3, it is your personal database. You can see row 1 to row 9 here. Row 1 to row 9 comprises of all your personal data, which is up to about 150 or 200 parameters pertaining to you, starting from your father's name, mother's name, your date of birth, your children's date of birth, your income levels, your graduation degree, all data, products you have purchased through Elexia. It's your personal database which pertains to you, which is being collected from Elexia from time to time. Later we will allow you to modify this particular sheet as well. As of now, this data is entered by the person in Elexia authorized and you would be able to see the results here. Point number 4. This database is like a chameleon as well as an auditor. You have seen me move from sheet A to sheet B now, the sheet B which you can enter. Supposing I change or enter some value here, supposing I am making this 2000 rupees 1500, you can immediately see the change in color. It will change in color, plus it will also give an audit trail of when you made this particular change of data. So it is a chameleon as well as an auditor where you can know the data that you have changed. Point number 5. Please read through these headings which are given here from row number 11 to row number 29, 30. It describes the various tools which are there in this particular .elexia file. It is similar to a large machine. A large machine has got several parts. So each of these tools is a part of that machine. The best part is all these parts of the machine talk to each other and form a big large machine, an integrated holistic sheet. So please do go through these 20 points. Point number 6. Each tool is easily usable through color coding. You can, I've gone to sheet B here where I can see some bright blue color. This is an example of one of the tools. The results of the tool you can see in that same thing in sheet A where you have got this blue color again. So it means that in sheet B you input data. In sheet A the results of that data come out, and again this is integrated into the entire financial planning, and you can see all these route maps and all for you. Enter in sheet B so and so, enter in sheet B so and so, all those things are there. So route map is very clearly given. Another quick example of one of the tools, dark blue color. Search for a dark blue color, this sheet B. So sheet B, give the inputs here. You can see the result of those inputs in sheet A, C76. So search on the basis of dark blue color here and you will be able to spot which particular tool this pertains to. Point number 7. All these tools given are financial planning tools which follow a logical flow or sequence, starting from how you save for your net worth, how you save for your emergency, whether your savings is good enough in the case of emergency requirements, your liquidity, your future value of expenses needed for your kids, which is goal planning, your risk profile, and obviously the risk profile also changes from time to time based on the data that you have provided, your mutual fund information, your stock holding information, your SIP information, the total assets that you have on date, their appreciation, various percentages, your human life value calculators, which again change from time to time, retirement planning and goal planning kind of details, your health insurance details. If you defer your SIP investment instead of now to later, what is the possible loss, various SIP calculators, EMI calculators towards your loan. So in short, there is a logical flow within this particular product which gives your entire financial planning, your company FD, your IT calculations for 2011-2012, even the smallest of tools like body mass index. We do not want to necessarily take care only of your wealth, also your health. So all this is there in this particular tool. Point number 8, though it is an Excel file, it is a dynamic Excel file which picks up information from the cloud every minute. I am at the mutual fund investment database. You can see the names of funds here. All I need to do, I am in sheet B, as you can see, the sheet which allows me as a customer to enter. I just need to enter my mutual fund data. You can see a drop down box here. Use that drop down box here to enter the data as far as whatever mutual fund holding I am having. Enter the initial amount and the initial NAV and the date of purchase of the investment. So this is for mutual funds where you enter. And similarly, it allows you to enter the data for SIP. You can see the SIP and you can see a drop down box. Click on the drop down box to enter whatever fund you are holding the SIP through. Same thing you use for direct equity investment also. You can see the drop down on the right here. Use that to enter the holding of your stocks and the amount of investment and the stock price when you purchased it and the date of purchase. That is all you need to do. The minute you do that, go into sheet A and those respective columns. I will just pause it for. Yeah. So this is the mutual fund data. You can see the NAV as of today, which integrates to your total financial planning and how much of money is available as of today, value of investment as of today, total value of investment as of today, annualized returns, total returns, whatever. I mean, all kinds of calculations would be there right on the left, right in column 1. So it updates constantly on a daily basis your mutual fund NAV. It updates on a minute-to-minute basis your share prices, and it gives you the current value. That's an example. Yet another example let me give you, that of gold. Yeah, you can see in sheet B, as a part of your overall financial planning, you are only giving the tool the amount of gold that you hold and the amount of silver that you hold. It calculates their values on a daily basis and shows it in sheet A. There you are. You can see the values of gold as of today and values of silver as of today. That's a second example or a third example which I would give you. Point number 9. It is your personal assistant, especially of course for your financial planning, as well as if you're talking about products like health insurance or vehicle insurance or overseas travel insurance. It does not ask you for your age or your other particulars or investment. It automatically gives out the results. You can see in sheet A the results. For your age, the age pertaining to you, for so and so company, this is the premium amount. And please remember that the premium amount is updated to the last minute as far as the website of the various health insurance companies is concerned. So the data is absolutely live and up to date. If Apollo Munich decides to change its health insurance rate in its website, that will get reflected in your premium amount. So this is updated information. Of course, if you want to change from Apollo to some other company, or if you want to change the sum assured from 4 lakhs to some other lakhs, or if you want the premium to be paid to change from yearly to a monthly mode, all you need to do is to input that in sheet B. I'll tell you where. You can see me in sheet B in the same color combination. There's a drop down here. Instead of Apollo, I choose a HDFC Ergo, and instead of 4 lakhs, I again use a drop down. I take a figure of let's say 3 lakhs. That is all I need to do. Instead of 100, which is for myself, I also look at changing it for me and let's say my entire family, which is 2 adults plus 2 children. Hey presto, what will happen in sheet A? You are giving the inputs in sheet B. In sheet A, automatically the premium amount applicable for 2A plus 2 adults, you can see it right there live. For a plan of HDFC Ergo, 2A 2 adults, for my same age whatever, for a 3 lakh premium is displayed automatically. Therefore it is your personal assistant for your health insurance, for your vehicle insurance. There is also a section on overseas travel insurance where it automatically knows various details of yours, your age, your gender and various other factors, and it automatically tells you what your health insurance premium should be, your vehicle insurance premium should be, your overseas travel insurance premium should be applicable to your age as per various companies. Point number 10, it is your 360-degree financial planner. You need to enter in sheet B your updated situation. The updated situation is, for example, if your goal changes. I'm going to sheet B and showing where all you can put the data. Yeah, this is sheet B where you keep on entering your things like your income and expense and all. Supposing these change, your expectation of inflation changes, expectation of the rate of interest which your money will give changes, for kit 1 the expense date and the amount required for those expenses, all those change. For example, your goals change, right? There is change of date, there is change of salary holding, there is change of some new particular development in your family, some new investment made in some property, whatever it is, anything. Or if supposing you suddenly decide not to retire at 58 but to retire at 55, all you need to do is to enter the data in sheet B. It is a calculator at the end of the day. So whatever you are entering in sheet B, the 360-degree financial planner uses that to give the updated results in sheet A. The updated financial plan and the results as per your latest inputs are there in sheet A wherever they need to be. Point number 11, it's your chartered accountant. There are two income tax calculators here. There is an income tax calculator for 2010-2011. Right below in sheet A itself there is a calculator for 2011-2012. You enter various data in, you can see, enter in sheet B, B64 to B91. Enter your data, which is your basic, your HRA, blah, 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 and your income tax calculations, the correct calculations automatically get displayed. Same thing for 2011-2012 also. Therefore, it is your CA as well. And obviously, you don't need to tell the computer particular data. You don't need to tell the computer again that, look, I am a male, I am aged under 60. I am a female. You don't need to say all this. The computer already has the data. So for whatever income tax pertaining to a female, calculations will be there. Supposing you are a very senior citizen who is above 80 years of age, the calculator is different. That will be displayed. You don't need to tell the computer again and again that I am aged more than 80. I am a male. I am a female. Whatever you need, you don't need to do. The computer automatically calculates. eLakshya is into recruitment for the financial industry as well as retailing of financial products. You can see, since the data is already there in sheet A, in sheet B automatically a resume of yours has got formed. There is a resume which has got formed, which based on your permission, it can always be forwarded to companies as per their requirements. So therefore your resume itself is there in sheet B, as you can see. Point number 12. We believe that one of the most potent applications of this product is setting triggers and alerts. You can do this in sheet B because you can edit the sheet as well. This product connects to Google Calendar, which in turn connects to Google SMS, rather SMS. For the first time, we would require you to connect with somebody at the eLakshya team, asking them to help you set up your Google Calendar to your SMS. But it is so flexible that you can give any kind of SMS alerts or email alerts which can be triggered to you. There are two kinds of triggers: event trigger and time trigger. The details are all there. Please urge you to keep reading that. But any kind of trigger you can set right below, which means that any of the cells in any of the cell addresses in sheet A changes whatever you want. Supposing you want a trigger whenever your mutual fund portfolio has become so and so amount. The trigger can be set so that you will get both an SMS and an email if and when that happens. Time trigger is supposing on a daily basis you want the total portfolio of your stock holdings to be sent across to you by both SMS and email. Done. So time triggers are very easily settable. Similarly, event triggers are very easily settable. So therefore it is like your alarm clock. It is like your personal assistant again, where it knocks on you whenever any event happens, whenever any data changes as per your requirement in sheet A or any other sheet. So therefore it is like your spouse also. You can always use it for financial planning, where your spouse wants you whenever your savings dip below a particular amount, whenever your investments go beyond a particular amount, whatever it is. So therefore it's an alarm clock, as well as it's your spouse which keep reminding you all the time through an SMS or through an email. So you don't necessarily need to go into this product or this particular file. Though of course, as I mentioned right in the beginning, it's so easy to get into the product through use of your custom URL. Point number 13. It is also like a donkey, which means it's a document holder, or you can see me having gone to sheet D. All your documents, your application forms, your policy files, your copy, your passport scan copy, your driving license scan copy, whatever it is, it can always be inserted. You convert it as an image and insert it into this particular sheet, which means your renewal notice se leke, your address proof se leke, everything will be right here. We at Elexia will never ever in future come and ask you for some documentation again. So it's like a donkey which stores all your documents. The .elexia file, the product, is your friend, philosopher and guide. You can see me in sheet A in so and so row. It tells you that this is the ideal percentage of your holdings in various products, SB say like a, bank FD say like a, PF say like a, and as against the figure which is the ideal percentage, you are having so and so, so and so. So it shows your current situation vis-a-vis the ideal situation, and then it proceeds to use all the data that you have given to give a recommendation. What you need to invest for the short term, how much, what in medium term, what in long term, whatever. So it is your friend, philosopher, guide and recommender all rolled into one. Point number 15. We have made it even more easy for our customers by giving them a one-shot view. You can see me in sheet E in this. There is a one-shot view on all your details here. You can see all the details here, one-shot view, starting from the number of days left for your next spouse birthday, next kid's birthday, number of days left for your vehicle insurance, starting from there to your financial assets and blah blah blah, starting from going to a recommendation on how you should allocate your financial assets, then going to your income tax calculator, your body mass index. So the one shot view, which is right here, gives you all the results of sheet A, which is in one shot, which you can see at one go. Point number 16, you can also use this side of the D sheet for personal customization. For example, yesterday I had a customer who wanted to know the show timings of Lido Mall on a weekly basis. It is there in the Lido website, gets updated, but you can always put it here, and because it's a fantastic dynamic tool available in the cloud, it will give you the show timings of Lido Mall updated as per whatever that website is updated. Of course, for this customization you might need to take Elexia's help, but we'll be very happy to do that for you. You can personalize it and customize it for any other personal purpose that you want to use it for. Along with the financial tools which are present in sheet A and sheet B, whatever you saw, we have given 5 potent tools. You can see sheet G, sheet H, sheet I, sheet J and sheet K. Each of them is fairly potent in their own right. This is a graphical representation of your savings calculator, which is sheet G. Sheet H is an annuity calculator. It's very important for retirement purposes and stuff like that. Sheet I, again a retirement savings calculator which is there. Sheet J is a very personal favorite of mine, which helps you compare various insurance products. You have so many insurance companies coming and saying you put so and so money and at the end of the period you get so and so money back. Everything in Greek and Latin. All you need to do is to use the IRR and NPV calculator put here. No great max. All you need to do is to put the figures here. The figures marked in red, and it will give you the result. So please urge you to use all these potent tools a lot. You have even got things like family budget planner. You can see the family budget planner here, where you put your expenses from Jan to December with wages and interest and starting balance and all that, and it tells you where you are going with respect to your family expenses. The point which I want to make, and that's point number 18, is that it is like a rubber band. You don't need to copy and paste. We have JavaScripting, we have coding, we have various techniques by which automatically the next time perhaps when you see the sheet, instead of a sheet M there will be a sheet N, O, P, Q, R, whatever. So it's like a rubber band which is stretchable. The Excel file can be modified also from outside by us, and as of now this is an Excel file which doesn't have too much of jazz. It has only content. There is no jazz and no show and no film shown here, but of course we can do all that from time to time. We want to submit that this .elexia product is only the beginning, it is not the end. So we are commencing with this, and we would need your support to make it very useful. Therefore, point number 19, the .elexia file is your file. It's accessed only by you. It is for your whole lifetime, and most importantly, it is something which is free of cost to you for lifetime. Honestly, we have not paid any money for the .elexia file. There is a god called Google who has helped us out. Very minimal amount. So therefore we use the god. We have created this tool, and it is there for your whole lifetime. If you like we believe in Google, I'm sure that you also believe in Google and its ability to create great products for future. So therefore this tool is a Google spreadsheet which is customized hugely with JavaScripting for your use, and it is lifetime free for you. Point number 20, and this is what is in it for us. So it's a free tool which we have given you. However, we believe that as you become more and more familiar with this product, you will come to us for your financial planning transactions, and thankfully all your financial planning transactions you can do through your .eleksha file itself. You can see all this. Click here to send us a message, click here to buy HDFC mutual funds online, Taurus mutual fund online, click here to pay us online through PayPal. All these, you can see all these tools here in Sheet A. You can use these direct links. They take you to the websites of various companies. Of course, personalized websites where our broker code is also attached along with, which means you can do your mutual fund transaction or your insurance transaction or whatever through your .eleksha file itself, and that automatically gets recorded in the .eleksha file also. So thank you for watching this video. I would request you to please feel free to call us for any further doubts that you have. Given paucity of time, we have made the video as small as possible. We solicit your support. The more people use it, the more you as a customer, the more deeper you use it, the greater it is for everybody. Thank you. Hi, a few more points on .eleksha. Point number 1. The .eleksha file is extremely secure and your security is completely protected. Only two entities, two people have access to your .eleksha file. One is yourself and the other one is just one ID in our company Elakshya called satish.n@eleksha.in. Only these two IDs have access to .eleksha file, therefore your data is completely protected, your security is fully taken care of, all your information is accessible only to you. Point number 2. It is very easy to identify your .eleksha file both internally as well as at your end. The name of the .eleksha file is always your email ID followed by a mobile number. So it is every .eleksha file is unique to everybody, and the name of the file is very simple, your email ID followed by mobile number. Point number 3. We have made the access of your .eleksha file even easier for you. It is just e.es22.com/your Gmail address or email address, whatever email address. That's all. Once you put e.es22.com/your mail address, you go into your .eleksha file. Point number 5. You can see in your .eleksha file that one sheet, which is sheet A, is protected. Only you can see the results here. All the other sheets are there for you to use. Point number 6. As soon as you open your .eleksha file, there are 3 pop-ups which will appear. One is our latest mail to you. The next pop-up is some kind of brief description on .eleksha file. The third pop-up is about to come in now. The third pop-up, which is various videos on how to use a .eleksha file, which is here. And then lo behold, you have your .eleksha file which you can use. One small piece of advice to everyone: if the file is not opening properly, because it takes all information from across the cloud, just press the refresh button. The refresh button, which is either here in Google Chrome or F5. Once you press this, you will be able to get complete access to the .eleksha file. Point number 7. We have made the .eleksha file even more comprehensive, even more bigger. There were requests coming in from people asking about vehicle insurance for 2 vehicles and just not 1 vehicle. So we have put both vehicle insurances here. You can see across 4 different companies: HDFC, Tata, Future and Reliance. The IDVs or the insured declared values which need to be given for that vehicle, along with the final net premium amounts for HDFC, Reliance. Data is not put in here, so it says a NA value. But the premium values of your vehicle all through the life of the vehicle would be displayed here. It is for vehicle 1 as well as vehicle 1, which you can see right here, as well as vehicle 2. Of course, there are lots of flexibilities which it gives in terms of you can take the IDV of the companies which the companies recommend, or you can even put your own IDV by going to sheet B and putting your own IDV. You can put your own no claim bonus as against whatever the company is offering. A lot of things which you can do on your own. So this is for vehicle insurance. Point number 9. One more example: home insurance calculation. Again across 4 companies: HDFC, Tata, Future and Reliance, which are the companies which Elakshya work with. So home insurance calculations for your electronic goods, for your non-electronic goods, for your value of construction, across 4 different companies is there. And this takes again into account the age of your house and stuff like that. Point number 10. Same way, life insurance. Again we have taken 4 companies: Bajaj, iPru, MetLife and Birla, which are the companies which Elakshya works with. The life insurance premium. As of now, we have taken the life insurance premium only for term insurance, and for 20 lakhs and for 30 lakhs with and without riders, you would be able to see the figures, which will be exactly what is the figure for your age. If your age is 38, so be it, the figures will be there. If your age is 47, for that age it will be there. 5 years from now, your age 47 becomes 52, your life insurance premium applicable for the age of 52 would what be given here. Point number 11, we have included in our .elexia file a CRM tool called Sheet O. Sheet O, I have just opened Sheet O, is nothing but all your communication to us, all your messages to us. You can keep on writing one after another, after another, after another. So throughout your life and the life of Elexia, whatever communication which you are sending to Elexia, just put these messages here. If you put these messages here, they go in the form of an email to Elexia as well as a copy of that particular communication. Whatever you put in this cell comes to you as well. All you need to do is write your message here in this cell, and here mail to Elexia through Sheet O, just click this, that's all. And your communication will come to us. A copy of the communication will also go to you. A copy of the communication obviously lies here, which means your messages throughout your and our life at Elexia will be there. So it's a fantastic CRM tool. At the same time, in Sheet A, our communication to you, our communication from our side to you will also be displayed. You can see this. All our earlier communication, our earlier SMSs, or whatever communication to you, it is all there. So in short, your communication to us, our communication to you, chronologically from the beginning till the latest would be there available in the .elexia. I have gone to Sheet P. As you can see, the .elexia file is extremely, this point number 13, the .elexia file is extremely useful for people who are candidates who seek recruitment. There are several jobs which we as well as various companies keep advertising from time to time. Do you fit within the criterion of these jobs with the job numbers, with the job profile numbers? Assume that there are 200 jobs which are listed or 500 jobs which are listed. Whether you fit within the age limit, experience limit, what is a salary as a percentage of your CTC, whether you fit within the gender profile required, do you fit within the job role, industry sector, yes or no, whatever. In short, you would be able to, across 200 jobs, in a trice, you would be able to figure out whether you fit the job requirements or not. Sheet P has another beautiful feature, point number 15, and that is financial services companies keep releasing various products from time to time, and those products which are there, do they fit you? Do they fit your requirement? The parameters, preferred parameters, I mean, is the parameter your preferred age between 25 and 30, whatever it is, the parameters, whether your details fit those parameters. In short, you would be able to figure out if the financial product, various financial products from time to time fit your requirements or not. Point number 17, this .elexia file also serves as a, we would not be communicating to our customers, for example, through email. We would be communicating to them only through the .elexia file, because the link of the .elexia file will be there in our mail communication to the customers. They just need to open the link, and as soon as they open the link, the mail from Elexia to the customer is popped up. That's number one. Number two, here, how much you have used your .elexia file, whether you have edited or even opened, number of times you opened your .elexia file is given here. And obviously, I mean, we at Elexia also get a record of it. So we would be trying throughout the age of our company to migrate people to use .elexia. Our be all and end all. Our company begins and ends with .elexia. So therefore, we will do all we can to move all our customers to use .elexia and only .elexia. Point number 17. The cloud is all powerful. We have moved all our applications to the cloud, though obviously it's a very secure cloud. As I mentioned, only two people have access. One is this ID and the other one is your own ID. So please use your .elexia file. But along with that, one more small submission, and that is we use Google and Google Docs for all these, and they are all powerful. The best part about Google Docs is that they keep introducing new features from time to time, new advanced features, and we believe that the cloud is the way to go. Therefore, as we go along this .elexia journey, you will have perhaps larger sheets, you will have perhaps more information, more kinds of information, more updated, more elasticity, more wideness in various topics which are covered in the .elexia file. Extremely powerful, and we request you to be with us on this journey. At the same time, as the broadband speed increases, it will become easier and easier for you to use .elexia file. My request to everybody is to start using a .elixir file with Google Chrome. That would be faster than either using Internet Explorer or Firefox. Thank you very much for. Good morning. This is a quick video on what you can do with eLakshya and our website es22.com. First, how do you go into your website? Very small short name, es22.com. That's it. And it automatically takes you to our website. So this is our site. No jazz, no film, no images uploading. Very simple HTML pages, 4 simple pages, just like a text file, which can open immediately on your browser. One of the fastest websites as far as opening times are concerned. And again, only 4 pages here. Home, now, select and act. What is home page all about? Everything about us. What is now? Everything about the world as far as latest is concerned. What is select? What you can do with the world. It gives you the tools to choose, to decide the way options. And 4, go ahead and do it. So I'm repeating this, only 4 pages. Everything about us, everything about the world, latest about the world, what you can do with the world, and then go ahead and do it. So these are the 4 pages. Of course, each of these pages has got millions of subpages, which I will come to. Every page, you can just see, for example, you're on the home page now. I'm just dragging it from top to bottom. It's just one huge page. Of course, there is a contents side here, so you can use the contents to go to whichever part you need to go to. So let me quickly take you through various things which are there. We have not wasted real estate of the website on lots of things. See, here you can join our Google groups. Here you can view our profiles, for example. Here you can send an email directly to us. Here you can subscribe to our SMS channel. If you want to follow us on Twitter, here. If you want to follow us on Facebook, here. If you want to upload your resumes, here. If you want to write a message to us, here. So all these are there automatically. If you want to chat with us in real time, here. If you want to join our website through Google Connect, here. If you want to know our geographical locations, because we are all available on GPS, here. If you want to locate us on a map and know our address, here. I mean, there are things which are so advanced. For example, if you want to send an SMS to us without going to a mobile phone, here you can send an SMS directly through our website. So all these things, if you want to submit a form to us, here. So all these things you can do directly from our website, and it's fairly transaction oriented. If you want to upload your resume, in the form of a form, if you want to do various other things, know about us, details, various phone numbers, please do suggest you to go through our website to see what all you can do there. This is page number 1, which is the home page. From the home page, I am going to the next page, which is called Now. It's right here. Now means everything with the world as of now. There is a notice board. There is a fantastic place where I just click on the notice board. Everything meant for the world. All documents, presentations, materials, tables, any kind of documentation. We are into 2 businesses. One is called retailing of financial products, and one is called recruitment for the financial industry. So based on the product, you can see financial planning, fixed deposits, all these. You can see all these sorting from photos onwards, from student projects, travel insurance, vendors, miscellaneous, whatever. As of now, there are some 2,300 documents or presentations or materials out here. Every day, as we get more and more product literature and information and templates, whatever on mail, this 2315 will become 2316, 17, 18, and so on and so on and so on. So hundreds of things are out there. Based on the requirement that you have, you just need to do a filtering or sorting on product, sorting on a company information, if any. For example, there is information. If you specifically want information on HDFC Ergo company, click on that. There is also file number here in case you want it for future reference, month of posting, blah 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 blah, and then you will get that link automatically. Click on that link. Just click on that link here. Some fact sheet of Birla Sun Life Mutual Funds you can see, and you will get into that file. So that is how you use the notice board, which has lots and lots of documents and material. We at .elixir believe in multimedia. We believe in videos, and this video is a testimony to that. all our videos, our training videos, our educational videos, our motivational videos, our videos on various advertisements, for example on insurance, mutual funds, whatever, everything is there, everything is right here. In fact, I would suggest that you go to all these educational videos. As you go into that, I'll just click one of them to just show you what it is. There are hundreds, and in fact at last count there were about 600 videos we had. You can see how to invest money now, all the inspiration, internal video, iPro event, Sindoor, an ad of iPro. You can see Sindoor 60 seconds. So whatever products that we have, details about them, educational videos, of course internally produced videos that we have done. For example, somebody wants to know about the credit crisis. You can see the crisis of credit visualized. All the videos are there right in our website. You just need to go to the video section and take a look at it. Of course, the ES22 website also serves as our own ERP, our own internal system. So there is an internal notice board which is not accessible to the public, where all our internal materials like commission structures and internal confidential documents and all are here. There is again an internal action board where our admin and accounts and stuff like that is taken care of. The point is, it is one giant ERP solution, and that is our website. Schedules are various calendars and schedules. This is called Data This Minute, which will be useful for the public. Data This Minute means whatever is the situation now. For example, you can see all these headings there. These are all the various files. BSE Live Data 30 stocks. I am at 4 o'clock on April 1st. I just clicked on BSE Live Data 30 stocks. Let me just show you what happens. As I have clicked here, now you can see as I have clicked here, it has shown me the live data of BSE as of now, just 3 minutes back. So I have got the live stock data. In the same way, there are so many other things like latest NAV of various mutual funds, later top 20 funds on the basis of AUM as of now. I mean, I'm sure that people can read through it. So this is the page called Now, where the latest information about the world is there. The next page is the Select page. The Select page, as I said, I am into two services. Recruitment for the financial industry, which is here, retailing of financial products. So what does a recruiter do? We have two kinds of resumes. One is traditional Word document resumes, one is Excel resumes, where the candidates themselves only submit Excel records to us. So the recruiter can view and download and get these resumes by mails. They can also see our Excel resumes and again get them by mail. So I've just clicked on it to see the traditional resumes. It goes into this particular file. You can see some 9,800 resumes here. All the resume links are here. I can open any resume that I want by this, but before I open it, I can also sort. Or I can sort on the basis of location, for location, qualification, sector, blah 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 blah. So this 9,800 gets shortlisted. I as a recruiter then want this particular candidate, or would want to know more about this particular candidate. So I just click on the resume itself, on the link itself rather, and of course I need a user ID and password here. Once I put in my user ID and password as a recruiter, I am able to see the details of the candidate. However, if I don't have a user ID and password as a recruiter, and if I need to have the candidate contact me, of course you can see video resumes of candidates also here. Or as a recruiter, I can just note down the resume number and click here. If I click here, it takes me to a particular place where I just, as a recruiter, I just need to put my email address, my mobile number, and the resume number which I want, and submit it. Once I submit it, there are three things which happen automatically. As a recruiter, I have evinced interest in the candidate. SMS as well as a mail goes to the candidate saying that, hey, this recruiter has viewed your profile, he wants you. SMS and an email come to me at eLakshya saying that this recruiter wants to get in touch with this candidate. The recruiter himself gets a mail as well as an SMS with the entire resume. This particular resume which you saw here, the resume link which you saw here, is emailed to the recruiter. So therefore, automatically it connects the recruiter, the candidate, and eLakshya online. So this sheet helps in that. This is for traditional resumes. The same thing happens here. This is Excel resume. You can see some 702 Excel resumes are there. The Excel resume, the advantage is that we do not need to upload physical resumes. The resume itself is uploaded automatically on the basis of so many parameters. You can see all these parameters here. Job location, preference se leke, languages known se leke, gender, marital status, all these are there. And the same thing, there is a link given here. I just need to go down to show you that link. Yeah, you can see the link one by one. The links are all here, which means this link is again for the recruiter. They click on the link, immediately they the candidate and the and Elexia get connected all by mail and SMS together. So which means that all of us therefore end up getting onto the same page. Next, if the resume wants to add or modify or delete their job details, he just goes in here. Of course, we will give an ID and a password for him. He or she can change the name of the job, the details of the job, and blah 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 right here, the job opening and things like that. This, if the candidate wants to view the latest jobs available, he just clicks here. He goes into this particular file where they can click for any particular job. And again, needless to say, the minute the candidate clicks on this, the candidate, the recruiter, and Elexia all get connected. If the candidate clicks on this, the recruiter gets an email as well as an SMS saying that, hey, this candidate has applied for your job. Elexia also gets a copy of that, and the candidate also gets an acknowledgement towards that. Right? This is basically the recruitment services in the website. Okay. The candidate can give us a resume by uploading his or her resume through us, or they can also fill up this form. And this form goes into that Excel resume. This is how the form looks like. There are about some 30-40 questions which together come and form a Excel resume of the candidate. Of course, we are proceeding towards video resumes, which means that we are trying to eliminate the need of a first round of interviews by means of the recruiter seeing the video profile or the video resume of the candidate. We said we are also into retailing of financial products. We have some fantastic products available online for the financial services customer. The customer needs to calculate, starting from loan calculator to calculation of two-wheeler vehicle insurance, three-wheeler vehicle insurance, four-wheeler vehicle insurance. Across some 5 or 6 companies, calculators are there. SIP calculators, financial planning calculators, financial concept calculator. I would urge people to look at it, calculation for debt mutual funds, generic calculators for retirement, life insurance premium calculators. I mean, the words are all there, so it's all Mediclaim, self-explanatory, body mass index, travel insurance, home insurance. But the general funda each of the calculators is just one, and that is the minute you open your calculator, it's given right here. Instructions: when the Excel sheet opens, click to edit button would be on the right hand side. Click on the same to work on the file. You may enter your values in the red cell, the results will be in the blue cell. The headings are in the yellow cells. So let me click just any one to just show it. Let's say I need a four-wheeler vehicle insurance, and let's say I am clicking on a four-wheeler insurance of Tata AG here, right here. So I've gone into the calculator. It is just an Excel sheet again. There are just one instruction which I need to do. I need to press on this click to edit button. Number one, I need to enter the figures. I need to enter the figures in red. Whatever, all these figures in red are the figures which are wanted by the company. Yeah, things like age of the vehicle and OD rate and vehicle CC, blah blah blah, and automatically the results come in blue. In this particular example, private Tata calculator, vehicle insurance calculator for Tata AG, the final net premium comes here. The results would be in blue. The headings are in yellow. So all calculators work in the same way, and all the calculators are there in the select page right here. You can see all the calculators. Once again, I am running through the particular sheet. We have taken things one step even beyond all that by giving 3 very powerful tools for customers. One is for health insurance, one is for mutual funds, and one is for travel insurance. You can see them right at the bottom. I will take you very quickly through each of these one by one. Yeah, you can see these 3 calculators: the health insurance calculator, the travel insurance calculator, and the mutual fund calculator. We believe that none of these calculators in their fullest form are available anywhere in India at least. I am just opening the health insurance calculator. I am clicking here, and it comes on here. What it does, it is an Excel sheet at the end of the day. It's an Excel sheet comprising of some 11,000 records. Each is a record. You can see the name of the company here, the name of the plan, the kind of plan, and I can keep on going on the right. All the parameters of the health insurance product, whether it includes whether it includes diagnostic expenses in hospitalization, what are the limits, what are the room charges, what is the coverage in case hospitalization is under 24 hours, what is the waiting period, whether it covers maternity, whether there is a medical examination for taking the policy, whether it covers pre-hospitalization, post-hospitalization, ambulance. I mean, there are some hundreds of parameters which are there. Now the best part of this Excel file is you can use a sort and filter. You just click on any of these, use and sort and filter, and decide what are the parameters you want. And once you do a sort and filter, it will shortlist There are some 11, as I told you, there are some 11,000 records here. It will shortlist those 11,000 records to a few which basically fulfill all the criteria that you're given it, and the premiums are given accordingly. The premium would be in column number. I'm just going and showing the column number here. They will be in, yeah, column number. You can see the column number here. It's column number J. Yeah, you can see the premiums column number J, and then you decide whatever product you want. So same funda, same calculation, same kind of Excel sheet. Also for your travel insurance, it's right here. I'm just showing travel insurance plan here. Same sort and filter mechanism. You can decide that, and the sort and filter mechanism allows you to. You just need to use here, and you can filter. And when you're filtering, you don't need to filter based on only one criteria. You can say that supposing you like a star and like HDFC, instead of saying select all, unclick on select all, select and unclick on select all right here, and then you supposing you like only future or you like only HDFC, just say OK here, and all the products of future and HDFC come in. It will just get automatically filtered here, and you can do further filtering. You can see as I'm talking it's happening. So therefore this helps you choose between for health insurance and for travel insurance. Now what is it for mutual funds? We believe that we got a fantastic product on mutual fund, which in our opinion is not present anywhere in the mutual fund industry. I'll just show you that tool now. Yeah, so all I need to do is to click here to look at the mutual fund tool. I'll just read this out. Among all our technology initiatives, we believe that this product is one of the best. A real-time comparison of all Indian mutual funds, parameters and all. So I'm going into this tool. As it comes in here, you can see there are some 1,800 mutual funds, 1,710 mutual funds which are listed here, starting from equity diversified to exchange to ELSS to whatever, across various fund houses. You can see the fund houses and all here. Name of the AMC, all these are the AMCs and the name of the fund itself. Now, what is great about this tool is it allows you to sort and filter real time on the basis of various parameters. The NAV figures are all given. The size of the mutual fund is given. All these are real time figures. So all you can do, and the best part, whatever you can do is to sort real time. Supposing you as a customer first wants to go in for equity diversified funds, filter here. Only equity diversified funds will come in here. I'm just doing that for you. So you can see the minute I do it, the 1,710 become 273 equity diversified funds. So first thing is what I've done, I've filtered, I've decided that I want to go for equity diversified funds, and I'm looking currently at 273 equity diversified funds. So next I decide that I want to look at those funds which are basically large funds among their peer group. So I look at size ranking of fund amongst peers. There are 4 top 25% of peer funds, third best, second best, bottom and all. So I assume that I want only the biggest funds in terms of size ranking. So that is the next thing I click on. The next thing I click on leads me to 68 mutual funds which are equity diversified, which also are top of their peer group in terms of size of their AUM. Next, supposing I want those funds which are right on top of the table as far as last 5-year performance is concerned. I once again, the minute I filter, I immediately get out of 26 funds, all satisfying all the criteria. Equity diversified, top 25% of size, top 25% as far as last performance is concerned. Next, I look at, let's say I want only the top funds as far as last 3-year performance is concerned. Once again, I put a filter there. So it has further shortlisted 20 funds, equity diversified, top high ranking, 5 years performance, top 25%. 3-year performance, top 25%. Let's say I further want top last 1 year performance also, top 25% of peer funds. I further shortlist. I get 18 funds which is this satisfied, this top 25%, 5, 3 and 1 top 25%. I further shortlist on last 6 months rating. So you can see the shortlist as they are happening. Great on equity diversified, size ranking, 5-year, 3-year, 1 year. Let's assume that I need not necessarily go only for the top 25%. Supposing I'm shortlisting on second best of the peers, last 6 months, last 3 months, any order. I can sort and filter in any order I want, and I get, let's say for example, out of those 1,700 funds, I get those 3 funds. I'm sorry, I had to refresh the page. I have got, let's say I've been able to shortlist 2 of the funds. You can see Fidelity Equity Growth and Franklin Templeton India Blue Chip Growth. I don't think anybody would be able to de-sell these funds to me. In their equity diversified funds which I wanted, their size ranking is top 25% among peers, 5-year performance great, 3-year performance great, 1-year performance great, 6-month second best, 3 months second best, and last 1 month anyway they're in the top 25% and second best, as you can see here. So this is the way I would probably look at buying my mutual fund. Now, how do I get these data? Are these data real time? Are these data correct? Are these data true? Absolutely. So all you need to do is, the data is also pasted right here. You can see the name of the fund. You can see the returns, the 1 month, 3 months, 6 months absolute return, all these returns here. You can see the NAV figure which is given here. You can see the size. Please cross check that. Cross check the NAV figures as of today, as of rather yesterday's NAV figures, which will be there in mutualfundsindia.com or amphiindia.com size. So these are real time figures which you as a customer can look and see at any point of time and shortlist on the basis of your requirements, whatever kind of fund you need. This we believe is a fantastic tool at Elixir which nobody else in the market has, which allows you to at one time filter on the basis of all the criteria here. You can see all the criteria and then decide which particular fund. Example, a small twist in the tail. I might look at funds which have done very well in the long term, but something which has not done well at all in the short term. So maybe I will look at something which is in the bottom 25% in the last 1, 3 or 6 months. That would mean that I would feel perhaps that those funds have got a better chance to come back and are available cheaper and blah blah blah. So any criteria which I choose, I can look at and choose my mutual funds. This is our mutual fund tool. Again, it's in the select page. So what have you done till now? Everything about us you have done. Everything about the world as of now is the now page which you have done. Everything what you can do with the world and how you can choose and weigh your options and all you have done. The last one is to transact with us, is to act, and therefore I'm clicking the act page. The most important part of our act page, what you do with us, just do it, is what I had said, right, is called .elixir. .elixir is our flagship product. There is a huge description on the .elixir product and the various triggers which are there and blah blah blah. This whole section 1 is on .elixir. There is also a separate video in YouTube on this .elixir. Please do take a look at it. However, there are so many other things you can do directly from our site. How do I buy any financial product from Elixir? How do I become an Elixir customer? Description is there. Buy online here. Just click here and go. I'm just clicking here. I'm showing it to you. All these mutual funds you can buy online through us. In the same way, you can do a couple of fixed deposits you can buy through us. Online link again. General insurance products you can buy through us. In the same way, you can pay various payment online to us. The description is given right here. Please do read through the whole thing if you would want to pay us. Of course, there is reward rupees for customers, and equally importantly for both candidates and for general customers, there are lots of quizzes which are here. There are IRDA quizzes, there are Amphi quizzes, there are aptitude tests for sales and marketing. Since we are also into incubation services, we thought it fit to put these quizzes for the benefit of candidates. The best part of some of these quizzes, they're all online quizzes. You can see here online quizzes where you get the score immediately sent to you to your email address. Want to try them? Go ahead. You just need to click here, the quiz will come in. I'm just showing you for an example. You do the quiz, okay, write your email ID. You're writing your email ID here. The minute you press the button send, once you finish the quiz and when you say submit, automatically your mailbox will get a mail saying, hey, the questions you have submitted are so and so, the correct answers are so and so, the wrong answers are so and so, your score is so and so. So it's again, it's an online quiz, and remember, it's not a multiple choice online quiz, it's a description online quiz. I think it's one of the very few quiz formats available in India which are where you write a description. Here you write a description, and the quiz at the back end, the product at the back end automatically calculates your scores and sends you the score. So this is our act page. Again, interview scheduling, connecting everybody. There is a lot of janjat that happens on scheduling interviews for candidates on the recruitment side, where we need to have interview schedules and everybody has to be on the same page. So this particular section helps everybody on the same page as far as interview schedules, results of interviews, further processing, candidate joining details, everything is concerned. So just wanted to quickly show this to the people who view our website. Again repeating, and I'm sorry for repeating it hoarsely, every internal activity of us at Elixir also happens through our website, through this internal notice board section which I had said, which means that we have a ERP solution. We maintain customer databases. All our customers, for example, whenever we contact you, I'm sure you as customers might have realized it, when we have an interaction with you, The minute the interaction is completed, you would have got a mail in your mailbox saying that, hey, this is the interaction you have had with you as of now, which is latest discussions. All earlier interactions have been so and so. So that also comes in. So we have a very robust CRM or a ERP system in place internally at Elexia, where every transaction of us or every interaction of us with the customer is recorded. So that all integrates into our account admin, our pages for principals. We have got a separate section for our principal companies, which is right here, where they on a click of a button immediately come to know how much of business has been generated for their product through us, how much is there in the pipeline. It's all again an Excel sheet which is there in the cloud, which is sortable, filterable, and the complete ERP system takes the help of our god Google and Google spreadsheets and Google Docs and whatever to arrive at conclusions. One small point which I also wanted to mention is I have shown you some tools and all where you opened those spreadsheets in the cloud. But if you want, you can always download them. You can always go to any of those spreadsheets, go to spreadsheet view, and then download, and it will get downloaded into an Excel file. So I would urge all Elexia patrons to use our website to the hilt, and obviously also use the product which we hopefully have given you, which is a .elexia file. Read about the .elexia file here as well. Also go through the video on .elexia, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much. Good morning. My name is Satish. I represent the company Elexia. I represent the company through its website es22.com. Our be all and end all is our website. Elexia, operations in Bangalore and Chennai. We founded in the year 2007 by a gentleman named Venkat. We today have a team of about 30 people in both these locations. We do two businesses: recruitment for the financial industry, retailing of financial products. These are the two businesses we are into. But all the businesses that we do, we use technology. And the technology, the be all and end all, comes through our website es22.com. So we are this. This video is an elevator pitch, a 5-minute pitch or a presentation to prospective customers for our retailing of financial products. We are a B2C company. We don't offer financial services solutions for companies. We offer financial services for consumers, customers like you and me. I'm just drawing a person. Sorry for the quick diagram. What do we do for this gentleman? We provide him all kinds of financial services and financial planning. We are his personal financial services guide. We provide him with home insurance for his home. We provide him health insurance for himself, health insurance. We provide him life insurance for him and his family, LI. We provide him services for one of his pockets, which is mutual funds. We provide him products like company fixed deposit for his other pocket. We provide him travel insurance, overseas travel insurance if he needs to go abroad. We provide him car insurance and two-wheeler insurance, vehicle insurance, whatever for his car. So we do the entire gamut of financial planning for him. How do we do it? We do it as a financial doctor. We diagnose him like a doctor uses a stethoscope and diagnoses a patient. We look at his condition, we look at his profile, his age, his income, his occupation, his various parameters, and then offer him advice, going from his most basic requirement to his deepest requirement. So we provide financial advice, financial planning to him using again technology. Okay. How do we do it? The first thing we do is, I am drawing an eye here, we or the customer also, anybody for that matter, scans the horizon. The horizon is the ocean of financial planning products. There are millions of products available out there. We scan the horizon through our website again. Our website, for example, will have product materials, presentations, premium tables, charts, everything of all the products. So this entire range of financial planning products across the Indian universe is available on our website. So we, as well as the customer for that matter, can hunt and look for this particular financial product in our website. So what do? We help the customer compare financial products. We have Excel sheets which will have filters where the customer can compare. Based on the comparison, the customer will choose what financial product he needs to buy. Each financial product has got hundreds of features, lots of parameters. So the customer can filter, sort and filter based on the parameters and the features that he or she needs, and then chooses the particular financial product. Once the customer chooses the financial product, he then proceeds to buy the financial product. Again repeating, all this happens through our website es22.com. And once the customer buys the financial product, we help him keep a record of his complete financial planning. So therefore, everything happens online and everything happens through, the whole cycle is completed. Okay. What is our flagship product here? While we do all this online, bits and pieces of it is always available by various providers. We have a flagship product which we believe nobody else in the market has. It is called .elakshya. .elakshya is nothing but a magic diary. A diary, personal diary which we provide to customers. It is an Excel file. That Excel file has got Excel file on the cloud. It's actually a Google spreadsheet which is there on the cloud. Has several sheets. The Excel file is accessible only by us or by the customer. So it's like a bank locker where access is restricted to only the customer or one of us at Elakshya. Point number one. Point number two, it is there in the cloud, which means it gets auto updated all the time. His latest mutual fund data, the latest NAVs get auto updated. His health insurance data with the latest health insurance premium rates get updated every day. His stock data gets auto updated. So the file which is there in the cloud picks up the data from elsewhere in the cloud and auto. So it's a magic file because it gets auto updated. So point number one, easy to access. We give a simple name of a file. The name of the file would be e.es22.com/his date of birth, whatever. Using that, the customer can directly access his or her particular .elakshya file in the cloud. So it's like a personal website which we give to each and every one of the customers. Point number one. Point number two, I said it's restricted usage, only me and the customer can use it. Point number three, it is an ever expandable folder, which means we can keep on adding any number of sheets we want. So it's like a expandable rubber band kind of a diary. Point number four, his entire financial planning happens on this particular file. It acts as a CA, where his tax calculations are there from year to year. It acts as his spouse, where the spouse basically determines and mentions what kind of money has to be put for the children, goals, family financial planning, future value, life insurance values, everything, every kind of possible financial planning tool would be there in this particular .elakshya file. How does it work? What we with the customer do is, the customer can also input it, we can also input it. Every human being, every individual has got some 150, 200 parameters or values surrounding him or her. Starting from his name, his mobile number, his email ID, his address, his date of birth, his father's date of birth, his grandfather's place of birth, whatever. Some 200 parameters are there. One instance of those parameters is there in the first sheet of this cloud. Using that information, this file auto updates. For example, things like his age get auto updated. Things like his experience, number of years or exact experience get auto updated. They increase automatically every day. And relevant to his current age, relevant to his family's age, relevant to his family's profile, relevant to what is the information as of now, this particular file auto updates and presents the information which is relevant at this point of time. Which means, if and when he sees the file at any point of time in his life, the health insurance premiums across various companies which is applicable to him for today, as per today's age, will be shown. The health insurance premium, the travel insurance premium applicable for his children, as per the children's age today, will be shown to him. The vehicle insurance rates across several companies based on the age of the vehicle and the CC of the vehicle as of today will be shown to him. All this data is picked up from the data which is 150 data which is already there, and it's an auto updated file. Therefore, it is a magic file because it auto updates. It's like a personal 24-hour encyclopedia or news channel. It also is a personal holder. It's a document holder. In one of the sheets of this file, all your documents can be stored, which starts with a copy of your passport, a copy of your driving license, a scanned copy of your PAN card, your photograph for that matter, which essentially means that never ever in future anybody at Elexia will come to you asking for details to help fill up the application form. The application form, a copy of your policy document, everything will be there in this particular document folder, which is also part of this .Elexia file. We believe that this kind of file doesn't exist anywhere in the market today, and this is what is our flagship product. So our beginning is es22.com. That's how I began this. Our end is es22.com. I would request all the viewers to please look at es22.com. It's got 4 simple pages. Every information which you would want with respect to financial planning is there in this file es22.com. We would love to work with you to do your financial planning, to be your financial doctors, to create your .Elexia file, to take things forward, obviously with the use of technology. Thank you very much. This is Satish. I represent the company es22.com. That's our website. Everything that we do to customers begins, has a mid and ends with es22.com. So please go to es22.com to get all details about us. We are into financial planning for you, for customers. What do we do for people? Assume there is a human being. We do life insurance planning for him. We do health insurance planning for him. We do vehicle insurance for him. We do travel insurance for him. We help him purchase mutual funds. We help him purchase company fixed deposits. So we do the entire range of financial planning for customers as a financial planner or a financial doctor. All using our technology, all using es22.com, all online. Right? Towards doing all this, we use a product called .Elexia. That's our flagship product. The first thing which we do for customers is to help the customer compare from the entire universe of financial planning products, to compare, to choose, to sort, to filter, make apples to apple comparison between various features, and then decide what products he or she is going to buy. We help them compare and choose and buy. What the customer buys is recorded automatically in our .Elexia file which we give to customers. Scans the horizon, obviously on our website, buys the financial product, obviously online, and a .Elexia
file which is nothing but a magic folder. A magic folder which is there in the internet is automatically created. The .Elexia file is there for that particular customer. Each customer gets his or her own .Elexia file. It's a magic file, a magic personal diary which has got several features. It is like the customer's PA. Updated, auto-updated information relevant to exactly that point of time is there in the .Elexia file. It is the customer's financial planning. Auto-updated financial planning advice, recommendations on where to invest, how to invest, whatever is there. It is a CA, tax calculations. It is a spouse which keeps telling him or her what the goals should be, what the family goals should be, what the life insurance value should be. It is a alarm clock which reminds the customer with triggers by SMS as well as by email based on what the customer wants. Whenever the value crosses a particular value, for example, is mutual fund portfolio information. For example, the number of days for his spouse's birthday. Anything and everything is actually triggered using this alarm clock, which is inbuilt into this. It is a personal encyclopedia, which means it is auto-updated with the health insurance information up to date, the relevant health insurance premium value as of today. Everything is auto-updated because it picks up information in the cloud. It is also a personal document folder where all his papers, all his scanned copies, starting from his passport to his PAN card to his driving license, is there in one of the sheets of this particular file. This file is only at the end of the day an Excel file which is his personal website kind of thing, which is there in the cloud. So this is our flagship product. Pre-flagship product is comparing and choosing. all be using our website called es22.com. Welcome to es22.com. Please take a look at it and please start talking to us. Thank you. You, our customer, walks on the road, fulfills your day-to-day duties and obligations to your family, works hard to earn a living. We, es22.com, technologically enabled financial planning company, reside in the cloud just above you. We are your friend. We are there with you 24/7/365, all the time with you, because we are there in the cloud right above you. We are your philosopher. We give you world knowledge on financial planning, on the products available, on presentations, materials, everything, premium rates, the entire works. We are your guide. We help you compare, choose and buy the financial products of your choice by acting as doctors, financial doctors. We are your PA. We manage your financial planning portfolio. We give you the latest information relevant for you as far as your products are concerned. Example, the health insurance premium relevant for your family, for your age and for your father's age. We keep alerting you and reminding you every step of the way with respect to your portfolio composition, with respect to your mutual fund value, etc., etc. We are your document holder, where all your documents are kept along with us. So we are your PA as well. In short, friend, philosopher, guide and PA on financial planning, and that is es22.com. What are we? One company. We give you one combo meal. Combo meal, like a thali, has got life insurance, mutual funds, health insurance, vehicle insurance, travel insurance, the works. We have created this company and this website by one great combination of technologies, but technologies by non-techies, for non-techies and of non-techies. We have one goal, and that is to enable your goals. Thank you. Yeah, no, absolutely no problem here. So I just wanted to give you a quick background here. A lot of work has happened on technology, where there are lots of tools available on my website. Some tools are good, some tools are very good, some tools are very, very good. That's what I believe, okay. However, the most important tool or our flagship product, for example, your flagship product is Birla 96 or whatever, or your Birla Frontline Equity, Frontline Equity, okay. Maybe half of your total AUM comes from that particular product, I don't know. For me, my 90% of my 2-year effort has been on a flagship product that we have. The product is called Elakshya. Okay, it is a product in financial planning, and I sincerely believe that this is something which, just like your, Choose Mutual Fund is the one product you saw. Like that, you got a product called Choose Health Insurance, Choose Vehicle Insurance, Compare something is there, es22u. I mean, some 10-15 products are there like that in our website. So a lot of my effort happened on developing those products. That's point number one. Point number two, a lot of effort happened in integrating our mutual fund, our companies, whether it's mutual funds or insurance, for people to buy online and all that. Okay, that is the second part. See, what we did is, first thing I did 2 years back was conceptualizing what is required. First part. Next is developing the technology platforms and tools for that. Third is implementing the development by actually making those products live and keeping it ready on my site or wherever. The fourth thing which I have done, which is you have seen the effort of this for the last 1.5-2 months, is to get a team in and train that team. So step by step we have done. 6 months took in conceptualization, about 1 year took in development, another 3 months took in actually putting the development into action by implementing it. Now the fourth thing is the team is now set, about 1.5 months or 2 months of training is there, and we are ready to roll out. We have already started rolling out as of today morning. That's how the position is. Or yesterday. I have introduced this product to, started introducing to a few of my friends, and you are the first person among the principal company people to whom we are introducing this particular tool. Yeah, so because of Gadanayaka sir, and you are like our Gadanayaka. Okay, sir, I will just take 10 minutes to explain about this and also give you that product. Forget about explaining. I will give you this tool. It is free of cost. Okay, and I believe it is revolutionary, but I definitely want
Nitin to come back with inputs, if any. Not artificial inputs, isn't? I mean, the font should be like this, the coloring should be like this, should be made more, not that kind of input, but content input. These more features should be there, like that. Okay, now I will just tell you what this product is all about. I told you we call it .elexia. Of course, I can give another name also, .elexia. It is nothing but an Excel file, sir. Every customer of mine, everybody, I will go by two assumptions. First itself, everybody uses Excel file and knows to use Excel file. That's assumption number one. Assumption number two I will make is everybody has a Gmail account. Okay, I will make those two assumptions, and then I will give you a Excel file. This Excel file it doesn't sit on your computer. It doesn't sit on my computer. It sits in the cloud. By cloud I mean internet. Okay. Now this Excel file therefore sits in that internet, in the cloud, and it's a giant file. Instead of calling an Excel file, let me say that Excel file is equal to your personal diary, ma. You carry a personal diary and with your appointments and all those every time you go somewhere. So like that, it is your personal diary. Okay, you can think about the Excel file as your personal diary. Now, what it has is absolutely you're perfect on the dot. You use your Gmail ID. I will give you access to your Gmail ID only, and I at Elexia. Yeah. No, but I'm not, because I want to give you this tool, and maybe I've told you about this product, but maybe I'll just take 5 minutes to tell you about it and immediately give you the product also, so that you can use it. Okay, now, so this is a personal diary which we are giving you. Personal diary on the internet which you access using your Gmail ID and password. Very simple to use. For example, Nitin is, your first name is Yen, right? First letter is Yen. So all you need to do, wherever you are in the world, internetly, you just have to say e.es22.com/N1 followed by your date of birth. What is Nitin's date of birth? 21/6/83. So therefore it will be e.es22.com/N1 21/06/1983. That's all. Once you click that, you will be able to go to your file. Of course, you have to log in using your ID. And only you can access it or we can access it. We means only one person from Elexia can access it. So it is like a bank locker for you. The key will be given to you, which is your Gmail ID, and you can access it. So it's a personal diary. Without your password, I can log in. Yeah, the administrator of Elexia can log in. Only two people. It's your secure file. Only two people can access it. Only me at Elexia and you. That's it. So like that, for all my customers, I will give this magic diary. Okay, you use your personal diary, you said, and your personal diary, I'm sure that in the first page you fill all the data. Your name, you're not married, no, yet, Nitin bhai? Oh, okay, congratulations. Yeah, sorry, I didn't remember that. Anyway, so your name, your wife's name, your parents' name, well, basically all your details would be there in the personal diary in page 1, correct? Your vehicle details, your passport number, your PAN card number, your date of birth, all those things are there. Oh, okay. So therefore, all your data, all your personal details, therefore, correct. Now let me explain, sir. Let me explain. Maybe I don't know whether I did the explanation properly. I'm just so all your personal data is captured there. Now some personal data me and you can change it manually. For example, things like address change. If you're changing address from one place to another place, you have to enter it manually. Technology cannot really sense that. Whereas a lot of things can automatically be calculated. Your total work experience. Every day it will increase, no? Your age, every day it will increase. So all that is captured automatically. Okay. So therefore, one sheet of this particular magic folder or whatever we call captures all your details and it is auto updated automatically. Okay. What it does is, it is like, for example, a Hexagon company or your Carvey or your Way to Wealth or Bajaj Capital or whatever. It does financial planning for you. I'm sure you've seen, as a principal company, I can tell you this more clearly. You have seen a lot of financial tools and calculators used by various companies in the market. Bajaj Capital has got some 360-degree financial planning. Carvey has got some future goals calculator. Lot of such calculators and tools you have seen. I have picked up the best tools amongst several companies and integrated the whole thing and put a section on financial planning there. At least about 15-20 calculators are there. But more importantly, the best part of this whole thing is the calculators talk to each other, which means you don't need to enter data more than once. There is only one goal that you have. For example, my goal is my percentage already is there. Percentage your date of birth auto already there. Your income level is already there. Your savings potential as of now, all that is already there. So we will not ask you for the information again. For example, we need further information like what is your expected inflation rate? What is your expected rate of returns which you expect over 5-year period, 10-year period and all? You don't need to enter that same data in 10 or 15 calculators. Those 10-15 calculators are only once you enter it, those 10-15 calculators will be able to give you all values. I'll give you a few examples on financial planning. I'm sure you know this because you are in the industry. One, we will tell you what your human life value is, your life insurance requirement is, how much SIP should you save towards your goal, how much money you should save towards your retirement. As per your income, how much will finally stand as a corpus at the time you retire. Supposing you want to save for your house building in 10 years from now, how much should you start saving? Supposing you stop saving now but start saving after some 6 months or 10 months or whatever months, how much therefore will you lose by not saving now? Basically the entire range, the 360-degree financial planning with Bajaj Capital says no, that's one example. Like that there are so many tools which are there. All of them are actually quite similar to each other. Hello? Hello, can I go ahead? Yeah. At the end of the day, what does a financial planner do? A financial planner sits with you every 3 months or every 6 months, every 9 months and asks for your fresh data. Correct? No, some new situation, new circumstance and again puts a financial plan and gives it to you. Correct? For that he charges 15,000 rupees per annum. I mean you have international money matters which will charge you so much of money for sitting with you and doing your financial planning. Okay. The best part of this particular tool, and this is part 1, is that it is a auto-updatable financial planner. Whatever is your situation as of now, whatever should be your financial planning as of now, including your recommendation, this is what you need to invest. You need to invest so much in mutual funds, you need to invest so much in insurance, you need to invest so much in liquid assets, you need to keep so much of cash for emergency. All these things, your liquidity ratio is so and so. All this is automatically calculated by that Excel file, and anytime you open it, it will be there, and it will be there with the updated data. You don't need to go to your financial planner again and ask him or her to make a fresh calculation where you once again input your particulars and it gives out a result. Hello? You understand? So number now, so the first magic, one part, I mean you can count your fingers in 5 or 6 fingers you can count. One finger is, it is a auto-updated composite financial planner. Auto-updated, that's most important. Point number 1. Point number 2, so I mentioned about your Carvey or Bajaj Capital or whatever it is. Okay. Point number 2, I am sure as a person in the industry and market, you have looked at buying insurances for yourself, health insurance, travel insurance, vehicle insurance, all that, correct, no? For which offline is always there. Offline jokers are always there who will do it. Like I was also a joker 2 years back. I'm still a joker for that matter, but still. At the same time, today the market has become wise enough to also look at online options. Now, for example, Nitin is looking at online options. What does Nitin do? Nitin goes to policybazaar.com, or Nitin goes to let's say Money Control, whatever, something, and looks at the supposing you want to buy health insurance. You look at your health insurance value, you compare across 7-8 companies, you look at your vehicle insurance value, you compare across 7-8 companies and you buy the vehicle insurance. For that you need to enter data, you need to enter the age of your vehicle, you need to enter your date of birth, you need to enter all that. Now, since I already have my personal diary your personal diary has got the first page which has all your data, all you need to do is to go to this particular sheet in my personal diary where as of now, what is your health insurance premium across several companies? As of now, supposing you take health insurance for your parents, what is the value? As of now, supposing you take vehicle insurance for your Honda Accord, the value at the moment will be there, which means you don't need to do any effort. See, it's going one step further than Policy Bazaar, which means we will not ask you to enter any values. At the moment, whatever is the applicable premium across several companies will be there. For life insurance, for health insurance, for travel insurance, for motor insurance, everything. Which means you don't need to lift a finger. They talk about Maggi 2-minute noodles, no? This is like Maggi 2-second noodles, where your updated data will be there. So, which means, supposing 3 years from now, if Nitin goes and sees his file, that file will have the health insurance premium for Nitin for that age. Health insurance premium for Nitin's parents for that age. So, we will not come back ever to ask you for data. Okay, this is point 2A. What is more important than point 2B is that you go to a policybazaar.com, you go to money control, whatever it is, insurancepundit.com, and you choose your health insurance. You can never be sure that the premium rates are the latest. Because 5 days back, Apollo Munich would have increased its or changed its premium table, and Policy Bazaar people in their website would not have updated it. Correct, no? In my case, that is not possible at all, because the data actually comes from the Apollo Munich website. You understand? No, it's all in the cloud, which means the minute Apollo Munich on their website changes the premium table amount, it will get auto reflected in my my internal data, which will then get auto reflected in your personal file. So, which means only the latest premium tables or the charts or whatever will be there. So, this is point 2. So, therefore, we are like a Policy Bazaar or whatever for insurance. Okay, next. Coming to your business, mutual funds. I am sure that Nitin uses Money Control, uses ICICI Direct, whatever, for tracking his mutual fund portfolio, for his stock market portfolio, for his SIP investments and all that. And you also have your CAMS which gives such tools, correct? The same. Okay. So the same tool. Okay, so the mutual fund point of view, your mutual fund calculator, not calculator, calculators and all are there. Your portfolio value, your stock market portfolio value, latest this thing, everything would be there. So there's a section on your complete funds portfolio. That is point number 3. Sure. There's no possibility to pause it, no? So my battery is also going to go now. People will help you to charge up. Thank you. Yeah, can I proceed, sir? It'll take another only 2-3 minutes. Is it okay? Okay, yeah, sure. Let me quickly complete it. So I said it is also your mutual fund portfolio tracker and repository and all that. Like a Money Control, like a ICICI Direct. Both mutual funds as well as stocks. That is number 3 it will do. Number 4, it also is your document holder. What it means is, there is another section there where all your documents, your application form, your policy document, your everything is scanned and kept there. Which means I will never ever come back to a customer and ask the customer, give me a copy of your passport, give me a copy of your PAN card, give me a copy of your KYC. I will never ask him to fill the application form again because data is already there in the first sheet. It will be filled up. This is point 4, sir. So it's a document folder. The last point, it is also a chartered accountant. The chartered accountant helps you calculate taxes. Look at your overall your liquidity, assets to balance sheet and all that. All those calculators are already there. And you know the best part of the whole thing? The best part is, since it is sitting in the cloud, I do not need to come to you or you do not come to me, need to come to me. For example, we have new tax rules for 2011-2012. I will not come and copy. Yeah, it gets auto updated. So from here, sitting in the office, I will just fire a cannon, and all the .electra files of my customers which are there will get added with the new sheet, which will be the IT calculator for 2011-2012. Okay, now all this is there. This is point number 1 to 5. But the overriding point of the whole thing, sixth point is, in spite of having all this for customers, there will be customers who will come and say, still, yeah, I'm not okay, why should I go into the internet and see and all that? For that, we have got something called alert or trigger, which means, for example, you want to give your customers a we want to give you or you want to get an alert on your SMS every day on your mutual fund value. Done. You want an alert every week on your mail which says your total stock portfolio value. Done. You want an alert to be set, let's say 100 days, 50 days and 3 days before your wife's birthday. Done. So any kind of alert or trigger that you want, hello? Any kind of alert or trigger that you want can be set on this file. Okay, anyway, this is the story, sir. I'll keep it short. So I believe that it is a fairly advanced kind of a tool which nobody else in the market has. What I want to do, and this is the last sentence which I would want to tell Nitin, I would want to give you this .electra file, sir, which you can use, and obviously it's free, and I would definitely want you to come back with inputs if any, sir. Absolutely, that is fine, sir, but yeah, but no, I'm sure there may be other things also to cover, or maybe some whatever. Sir, Nitin sir, I value your feedback a lot. Okay, but I would definitely want to but one is that, sir, the more important thing is it useful or I mean, see, having a great car or a great product is not important, but is that car useful for people is what is important. So I would want you to start using it and then come back to me and give me feedback on whether it's useful or not. That's it, that way. So Nitin, I've just noted down your date of birth. If it's okay, in some time from now, one of my people will call you and tell you that the file has been created, and then you can start using it. Would that be okay? Great, great. Thanks. Take care and have a good day. And I will, in the meantime, I will start doing business also, because what happens is, for example, I'm giving this file to customers. Within that tool itself, you have got links for purchasing mutual funds online and all that. So when customers start doing that, that gets auto-recorded in this particular tool. Which means, I mean, the whole cycle gets completed here, everything online. So in fact, using our Excel file only, you can actually buy Birla mutual funds online. Right, sir. Thank you, Nitin. Take care. Okay. Okay. Bye.